If you want to find an indicator that can follow institute banker or even big tycoon footsteps for trade, so in this video, I'm going to recommend one simple and useful indicator for filter out banker funds and follow for trade for your position. This indicator will signify the trend in different color, and we will go through each of them in this video, and later we will stimulate out its risk reward ratio and try to trade using this indicator as for our stimulation backtest run. So let's start. First of all, we will go through some of the details of this indicator. As a disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purpose only and does not contain any constitute financial advice. In this video, we are going to use L3 Banker Fund Flow Trend Oscillator by Backcat 1402. In this indicator, as you can see, it has 5 different color in the indicator. First, we have yellow. Yellow means banker fund entry. Green means increase in position from banker. White means it decrease in position from the banker. And also for red means exit and quit from the banker. So lastly, for blue color means it shows a weak rebound reversal with blue candle. If you want to take note how to trade with a winning position in this position, make sure that you need to take note of 1 and 2. Means that you need to take note for yellow and green. And also for blue is for slight reversal. So maybe you can take note on this position for blue to check for any reversal at blue indicator. To have a winning position, make sure yellow, green, and followed by blue as a reversal winning indicator. So next. And later we will try to optimize the setting for this indicator. We will add additional indicator to support for this trade stimulation. And lastly, we will try out our trading. Is it profitable or even a losing position? We are going to use risk reward ratio, and we need to make sure that our risk reward ratio projection is more than 1, so we have a more reward biased trade in our position and strategy. So after we are on this definition, we can start in our trading view graph. So first of all, as you can see, we are going to try to stimulate a trading pattern, and you can add others indicator as for support for this indicator. So later I'll add on one more indicator to support as a free version in TradingView. And to open out this indicator, first you can go to Indicators tab and search for Banker Fund. You can use this indicator by Black Cat, and you can just press it to open up. And for additional, I will add one more useful indicator to support for my trading. So I will use volume profile to determine our support resistance using volume profile. Later we will use this to position our trade. And if you want to customize the setting of this indicator, you can just go to the settings, and you can customize each of the color based on the indicator, and you also can customize its precision based on your trading time frame. Make sure that the indicator that you customize suits your trading strategy, whether it's a short time frame or even long time frame. Make sure that it suits your strategy before you start. If you want to know more about this indicator, you can go to the indicators and press for this 3 dot and press on about this script. So basically, this will go through the definition and the functionality of this indicator. You can go through this indicator background functionality and also key signal that just now we go through. Green and yellow will be a good signal, and also its pros and cons using this indicator. You can read it up for this indicator and see whether the indicator suits for your strategy before you start your trade. So let's start. First of all, we are going to try out a few positions for our trading strategy. So we will find the latest position for our reversal signal. As you can see, we have our yellow. Yellow indicates the entry point, and also for green will indicate the increasing of position of banker. So basically green will equate increasing position, while for yellow will be equivalent to entry of banker. So based on this signal, we will start our position at this area. You can customize your volume profile also based on your requirement. Maybe a shorter time frame with a shorter period. You can customize the period, the number of bars to be shorter if you are trading a shorter time frame, maybe a day trade or intraday trade. So let us start. So first of all, you can plot out. Here will be signify for a long position, start up. So basically you can just take the projection, risk reward position to plot out your next candlestick. As you can see, we can determine the volume profile position. So that will be our position to take our profit if you are planning for a short-term trade. So we'll be at this area. As you can see, it is equivalent corresponding to the position of the trade profile. And also for our cut loss point will be our nearest support from the candlestick. And also it shows a quite high volume, secondary volume to add for our support. So after we have stimulated out, our risk reward ratio will be 1.35. This is equivalent to a winning trade, but a small bias to a reward trade. And you can start your position if you want to trade when the signal out for the banker inflow. And also you can plan for your trade in this position for a short-term trade. So you also can find out a few more points. For example, as you can see, green turn into blue, it shows the reversal signal from the indicator. So after you have a reversal, you can plan for your trading. If you found any reversal for blue color, you can plan for your trading. And for example, these indicators as here shows a similar position for a long-term trade. First, it shows a yellow color starting entry from the banker, and also it shows a green color of reversal. And also it shows a downtrend, slower down the downtrend, and it have a shorter momentum to signify a later reversal. So at this position, first banker fund. So I will banker fund shows reversal equal to red bar slowing down. Next, we also have our doji candle. The doji candle with a long tail shows a reversal to have a reversal trend from bearish to bullish. And lastly, we have our risk reversal. We can plan it out. So if you are going to make a long position trade when the reversal around here, so the cut loss will be at the doji candle. And also the take profit price will be around this area. So basically the trade will be biased slightly if you are going to plan a short-term trade, a slightly reward trade, and also you make sure that you are punctual and disciplined for your cut loss and trading position for target price. So yeah, basically that's all how you can use this indicator. Make sure that you test your indicator first before you try for any trading, and the risk reward ratio projection must be more than 1 to be a better risk reward, maybe 2 or 3. So yeah, thank you for watching.